Friends, running kimono here, and with a lot of gravel in my voice. It is Thursday, January the 29th, and we're back at Walgreens looking at clearance and looking at a couple conceptual deals, which I think will work as a concept, and we'll have to go in store and try and land the plane. With clearance, it's always a year mileage may vary, meaning what's happening in Michigan might be completely different than New Hampshire, but Michigan and Texas might be the same. Always a roll of the dice, so if you're not about rolling and dices, by all means don't do any of these deals. But if you like to save maximum amount of money, we have up to 90% off on some merchandise, which excites many of us. Okay, so over on Instagram, a friend of mine, Rolling Coupon Moms, you need to follow her if you're from the Midwest. She did point out in the app up to 50% off on select Dove body wash. She's absolutely correct. If you ask for a price check on any of these flavors and they are in store, we have a deal to get these for 99 cents this week or next week, because I believe the Dove deal is continuing next week as well. And this is some swift 50% off. They're not giving us $1 off. The promotion for the Dove body care is when you buy 3, you get back a $6 register reward with the 6 off of 3 coupon. Currently, the 6 off of 3 coupon is attaching, but will a register reward print? Will it only be on one flavor or not? Again, you have to roll the dice with this, because sometimes with clearance, the register rewards do not print. And if you have a less than nice manager or cashier in front of you, you're not going to get your register reward, because they'll be like, you got it on clearance, that's enough. But anyhow, 3 of these at that price point, if it's ringing up the same in store, it's $14.97. You have to do this in store because it's hinged on a register reward. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $8.97, getting back a $6 register reward, making it $2.97 for the 3 or 99 cents per unit. If you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and we have to test this out. I know I have a lot of shoppers who watch me. Let me know if you're finding this in store, and if you've tested it out. That would be so greatly appreciated amongst all the shoppers, myself included, because I can't get out till later this afternoon to the store to look for these and to try the deal. So share in the comments, guys. You guys are always great with that info. Now, the next group of items is Cetaphil, which is a newer clearance item. And online, it might be a little bit cheaper, so you're going to have to ask for a price check. IBOTTA has various rebates, and I'm not sure if there's still a digital coupon, but this is a new one. It's a $2.50 off with a limit of up to 3, and I believe Cetaphil is still buy one, get one 50% off. You guys will have to do the footwork on this one. I snapped these photos last week, but I think they're probably all gone. And then for this oil or hydration serum, there's a $5 digital that came back, and you see that the third store is in fact Walgreens. Another interesting one, but this is only 50% off. I think we have an $8 coupon to go with, but to pay $8.99 for this, I'm just not about it. Unless this is your favorite thing, I'd rather get it on some deal stacking boosters. But it would be like close to $8 for this L'Oreal Paris brightening UV lotion. I think it's for outdoors, fragrance free, but look through that skincare aisle. Now we're just going to look at a couple of snacks at 50% off. So all these percentages are kind of weird and goofy up here. But they might be 70 or 90 at your store, or next week they might hit 50 as well. It's always kind of like a toss-up with clearance, so please don't kill the messenger. And then we have these Nutella sticks, for school lunches and stuff, or like a snack after school for your kids. Lots of this stuff. Just put a bug in your ear. I want to be looking for this stuff. And in that same family, we have these Nutella, it's like some sort of a stick with that hazelnut. Unpopular opinion, I do not like hazelnut, so I wouldn't even buy one for 99 cents. I don't know, it just must be a weird one. So lots of razors and deodorants are also on clearance, and pairing them with digital coupons, you can do a lot. I think this one might have a $6 digital. I see it peeking in the back with that little sticker. I mean, that's a really great deal, so be on the lookout in that aisle. And then there's a whole variation of the different men's razors. Honestly, men's razors kind of are it. More than the ladies' razors. They just tend to last a little bit longer if you've ever used a men's razor. Also going into that cosmetic section, lots of CoverGirl, Maybelline up to 75% off depending where you're shopping. Open up that app, see if the digital coupons are attaching or if IBOTTA might have some rebates. We all love IBOTTA. If you have not signed up for that app, sign up today. I think on your first qualifying receipt using my referral link, you're given an extra $5, which is great. And there's so many different rebates. And we have the Maybelline Age Rewind, which is always nice. I think there's a $2 digital to go with these as well. Lots of these various drinks, Olipop, and then there's a couple other newer ones between 50 to 90% off. So you might want to go down that clearance aisle or the end caps that have these drinks. This is obviously summer. They should have given it for 90% off, but that's the story. And as I was speaking earlier, a lot of deodorants up to 50% off, some 90, depending if your store really wants to get them out of the door. So look at your digital coupons, what you might have, and is it attaching, yes or no. Sometimes I'll grab the one next to it that isn't on clearance to say, hey, it looks similar. Is the digital coupon attaching, yes or no? It's always a quick thing to do to try to save extra money. And open up that app in case you might have digital coupons. I think there might be $1 for this Venus one, but $2.49 at 50% off. Lots of the Bic razors. I'm not sure if they're going to shrinkflake the packaging or what's going on, but $2.49 is not a bad price point. The original price was $5. I'd rather use Venus any day of the week over Bic. Just my humble opinion. I think it's a better razor. We have the Bronze Series 3 for $12.49. Use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.49. Original price point is $50. I mean, this is a really good price point. I even use a set of clippers. I have a long-haired cat, so whenever she gets mats, I have to go in with those, so I'm always grateful that I got them on clearance. More men's stuff that includes some 50 or 75% off Brill Cream and 75% off just for men. Before I take off, Ross's Dress for Less on Monday the 26th started their 49-cent sale. This store only. If you don't have it, apologies, but if you have it, a lot of stuff. Tennis rackets by Wilson, 49 cents. Gorgeous Dior coasters, 49 cents. A lot of stuff for 99 cents. Not everything will be 49 cents, but a lot of it was. Now, as I'm 2 days late, you know what I did? When I was checking out the humble little items I had, I asked the cashier in a very nice way. I'm like, hey, do you have any like hidden 49-cent stuff or cheap stuff for me? And she pulled out a tote and she's like, somebody just returned like $20 of 49-cent dollar items. And guess who bought all of them? Me. Um, so if you are not shy to talk to staff, they might be able to really help you out. A lot of people are buying stuff and a lot of people just can't afford the $2 or $3 if they went over their budget. So I did find quite a few. Even in store, there was lots of 49-cent items left. So I would definitely scour your store, see what they might have. And if you are not shy, don't be shy to ask because you might be shocked what you find. That's it for this video. Share in the comments down below how the Walgreens clearance is working for you. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.